Hello dear students, myself Chirag sir. Today I am going to explain how can you upload your Tumblr PDF file in Google Classroom. As per our earlier notice in your group, all of you know that we have to upload the term work in Google Classroom between 17th May to 26th May. So that is the same notice is here. So how can you start or how can you upload your Tumblr file? But before Tumblr file uploading, you have to scan your pages of assignment. You have to make it PDF. Okay, after this PDF, you have to apply watermark as per given here as a instruction. Okay, that is the instruction for the watermark creation. Okay, so create the watermark and save the file as a PDF file and rename it like Saliter, Civil, Semester 4 Surveying and your enrollment number. And this file may be saved on your desktop, laptop or mobile. And how to upload this file, okay, that we discuss today. So that is very important. Okay, so first of all, as per our notice, you have to copy this link. That is a link for Google Classroom. You have to make it copy. Open the Google Classroom or Google Chrome. And in Google Chrome, you have to paste the link here. And after it, you have to make enter. It is prompt to your Google account. So sign in by your Google account. For example, I am take the example of one student. The student name is Vyas Patel, and by name as a student, I will log in the student account. So click on your email, enter your password. After entering password, you will move in the Google Classroom. It may be possible. Okay, you have to join different classroom by the same email account. So however classroom you have to join. For example, for 5 subjects, you have to join 5 Google Classroom. You are able to see here. Okay, so that is a one classroom which is already joined. But now I will take the example of one subject of design of tree structure in semester 8, and I want to upload the material of the design of tree structure in a particular class. So how can you start? So as per our earlier notice, for different subject, different class code is given to you. Okay, that is already mentioned in the notice. Now what are you doing? For example, I will take the example of design of tree structure subject. Okay, uh, my name is Chirag Patel and I want to submit the assignment in account of Chirag Patel sir. So what can I do? So you have to just copy this code. There is a class code which is for particular subject, for particular batch, maybe A2, B3, B4, C1. So assume, suppose I am in one batch of the A2, then I will copy the class code. Okay, this code is copied by right click. Again, you go in your Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, you press plus button. On plus button, you have to just able to see two things. One is join the class, other is create the class. So you just go on the join class and you have to ask about the class code. So class code will be pasted here. And after that, you have to join. So by help of class code, you are able to join the class in such a way. Now, what is the next steps? But remember, before uploading the assignment, I have a ready PDF file with watermark on my desktop or any folder. Okay, and after that, you are able to upload your PDF file, final PDF file of the subject of design of steel structure. Now, what is the next? After joining this class, you are able to see this type of structure in a particular classroom. So that is a classroom of DSS subject from Chirag sir. Okay, and for the batches A2, B3 for semester 8. Okay, that will be seen. So in the classroom, you just see one post. Chirag Patel posted a new assignment, tutorial submission for design of steel structure. Okay, this type of post you are able to see in your classroom of all subjects. Depends on faculty. Okay, but maybe name is different of the subject. So on the same post, you have to click. After click on this post, you just say it is seen here. That is a due date is the 26th May. That is a assignment task, which is a tutorial submission of design of steel structure. And here there is one instruction. Maybe it is different from different faculties. What is the instruction? All the students are informed to submit their assignment before due date. Okay, now what are you doing? So after this particular screen, you go on the right side. In right side, there is a one column which is say it is a your work and it is a assign. So now suppose I want to upload my Tumblr PDF file of the subject of design of steel structure. Then what I'm doing, I'm just click on this plus button which is indicate add or create. So press it, add or create. Now I want to upload PDF file. So go on the file menu. On the file menu, you have to upload the file. Okay, that is a drag file or select the file from your device. So just I will select file. Now my file is already saved on my desktop, for example. So go on the desktop, search your file which is uploaded. So that is a file of my Tumblr, for example. What is the name? So name is given mentioned in notice. So in the notice it is mentioned, you give the name like that, Saliter, Civil, Semester Date, DSS and enrollment number. So I want to upload this file, okay, which I have already watermark, okay, in this Google Classroom. So select this file, open. So you just see here the file name is written, that is a Saliter, Civil, Semester Date, DSS, PDF. Okay, and after that you click on upload. So now just see your work. In your work, this file will be attached. Actually, this file is just now upload. It is not submitted. To submit it for particular faculty, you have to just click on the turn in. So click on turn in. It is asking that one attachment will be submitted for tutorial. Okay, so at last you have to click again. Just check this file. It is a file of Saliter Civil subject DSS. And just see this also name. There is a folder of or there is a classroom of DSS. So same subject will be matched. Okay, so check the file that whatever the file you uploaded, it is correct or not for particular subject. And after that, if it is confirmed, it is okay. Then you just click on turn in. Okay, so after turn in, you have to see here your work is turning or it is a submitted. Okay, now suppose by mistake wrong file is uploaded by me, then it is also possible to unsubmit it. So by clicking this unsubmit, this file is removed, and again you are able to upload correct file. But maybe you check this file twice, so there is no required to unsubmit. So don't make unsubmit if the file is correct. Okay, so that is a means here it is unsubmit means your file is already submitted in your Google Classroom. So that is enough. Okay, so that is a very simple way that how can you submit your PDF file of Tumblr of respective subject in respective classroom. So that is just for student point of view. Now one more thing to remember, whenever you go in the classroom, so on the home page, You just see. Suppose it is a home page of the Google Classroom of Chirag Patel. So here it is also one line is given that says something with your class. So don't upload, again I am just telling, don't upload your PDF file here. Here it is here. It is also possible to upload file here. Just see and click on share. You are also able to add file here. But remember, this file is in general and this file will be able to download by other students also. They are able to view our file also. Okay, so one thing to remember, whenever you upload your material or PDF file of term work, then always go in the Google Class in an assignment task, and in this task you have to assign. In this task you have to submit your file, but don't share your file in this particular share comment or share row. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so if you share the file directly here, then your file is invalid. So always you have to go on the assignment task. Again, I repeat, in the assignment task, in your work, you have to submit your file. After submit your file, you have to turn in. Okay, means it is a finally submitted. That is the process. So that is a simple steps how to upload your file. Remember all the things very well, and also take care your PDF file having a watermark, having a page number, and rename as per earlier notice. Thank you.